So, welcome all of you. Myself Prakash Kumar. So we are going to conduct our session on today is again area related to circle, and I think this one is the third or fourth lecture that we are conducting, right? So just area related to circle. So all of you know the basic formulas here.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So fine, everything is getting recorded and it will be uploaded on the YouTube channel Prakash Soni Yoda class. And so everything you can check in the playlist. Okay. So now come to the question. We should directly start with the question. Okay. I need fast answers. Okay. All of you take out your copy. Let me show your copy. Okay. You all have your copy. Draksha, show your copy. सबके पास copy है ना? Let me show your copy. ऐसा नहीं बस हाँ movie नहीं चल रहा है, right? What was the film? What is the recent Bollywood film? Hello Harshit. Are you just sitting or you have book only? Hana, copy also. Okay, fine. Shriyansh?
Yes, sir, I have.
All you have copy na? ऐसा नहीं show नहीं चल रहा है. It's not movie, right? So start with the question. So the question is two concentric circles. Two concentric. This question I found in sample paper. So it's a easy level question that come in like section A or B. Circles are of radii. Radii means radius, plural, right? Singular, plural. 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Write down the question. Fine. Or you can directly, if you can directly draw the diagram, draw the diagram. No need to write the question. Find
Chord बताना.
Length of chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle. This question, if you have, so Naveen, send me detailed solution. This question, if you have started solving question, you must have faced these type of questions. Ishita? All of you can draw the diagram now. Jaldi se.
8 centimeters.
Show me your work, bacha. Show me your work. Priyanshu, on your camera?
Yes.
Priyanshu, show your copy. There is one circle. And there is one more circle. Priyanshu, where is your copy? There is one another circle. Priyanshu कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है. Naveen?
Already finished, sir. Sir, 8 centimeter.
8. Show your copy, Tejashini. Okay, Mansi. Others, Tejashini, you are also trying to show. Other बच्चे जो बना लिए बताओ. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
show your copy then. If you are solving, I want to see your copy only. Then I will like Hana say that yes. Okay, Naveen.
Yeah,
Then
I have also done, sir.
Priyanshu, Sharanpreet, then Asutosh. All of you show your copy. Be active, bacha. It's not like game नहीं चल रहा है ना. It's not movie. ठीक है? Okay, Desai. Fine. Fine, Devanshi. Fine. Athirat. Okay. Sharanpreet. Okay. Okay. Fine. Draksha, you are not trying? Ishita, bacha, show your copy. I want detailed solution. Sir, if my camera was working, then I did show. Okay. So like you can send me on WhatsApp, right? Fine. So let us start. So these are the two circles which are concentric, means have the same center. Now, if this one is the radius r, and this one is the capital R radius, right? So the question is, this one is 3, this one is 5. Centimeter I'm not writing. Find the length of the chord. You have to find the length of the chord, okay, of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. It means what? That here we have a, those who are not understanding, just see, you will understand, okay? So this is the question, that here is a, all of you can see now, that this pink color is chord for the larger circle, right? Chord. And for the smaller circle, it is a
Tangent.
it is a tangent to the
Tangent.
smaller circle. Be
Tangent.
active, all of you guys, be active, है ना? Itna at least you should know these things. So now I am touching this point. So this one is what? This one is 5, right? So all of you know, if I draw for the larger circle, it is a chord. And you know, if I draw a line here from the center to the tangent, it is always 90 degree. All of you know, right now?
Yes, sir.
Anna, so
Yes, sir.
something
Yes,
I'm drawing at 90 degree. Anna, so we all know that if there is some tangent, and from the center, if I am joining this, angle will be 90 degree. So here angle will be 90 degree. And for the larger circle, it is a chord. So this length will be equal to this length. Let it be A, let it be B, this one B, C. This one is 5. This one is 3, the smaller radius. So this will be, BC will be
4.
4. By Pythagoras theorem, we can find in triangle OBC. And now
Yes,
if
sir.
this is 4, we can tell it that AC is 8. EGPG
AC equal to double.
8
Okay, yes.
centimeter.
Now write the second question. The perimeter, all of you try, bacha. If you are not trying, it's like excuse only, okay? The perimeter of a circle is equal to that of a square, Then the ratio of the areas. Then the ratio of areas is what? Fast. All those who are good in like mensuration, they should answer me in like 1 minute. 1 minute is very much enough. And for those who are not understanding, just keep hearing me. Okay.
Are you there?
I will check copy bacha if you are doing or not. 22 by 7, 14 is to 11. C is what? 7 is to 22. And D is 11 is to 14. 11 is to 14. This one is sample paper question, okay? So this question come in like 1 marks, 2 marks, like that. Anyone done? Show me copy if anyone has done. If anyone tell na ki ye samajh mein nahi aaya, if circle, perimeter of circle, all of know that the perimeter of circle is 2 pi. Perimeter of a square, 4 into side. We have studied in junior classes, right?
Done, sir.
Show your copy, Priyanshu. Okay. Priyanshu, what is your answer according to you?
14 is to 11.
Okay. All of you have to show me. Sir, your sound is very low. Tawnish, I am not speaking anything. I want answer of this question. Shruti, are you able to try this question? Now start. Let me see your question paper. Naveen, Shruti ban pa raha hai? If you are able to do this question. या नहीं हो रहा है? बी वेरी फ्रैंक, नहीं हो रहा है, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड नहीं हो रहा है, अगर हो रहा है तो टेल मी हो रहा है.
Sir, I'm trying.
ओके फाइन.
I'm trying.
Sir, just give some minute.
ओके टेक योर टाइम. तवनेश कर पा रहे हैं? कृति, व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन? अथिरथ बच्चा? अभिषेक तिवारी जी, यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग.
Not able.
Mansi not able to solve, right? Not able to solve.
No.
Sir, even I done good.
Arjun not able to solve. Okay. I'm not able to solve. Asutosh, come on your camera, bacha. We get very less chance to talk, right? Adivanshi,
Sir, I'm not able to solve it.
Sir, 11, sir,
tell. 11.
sir, 11 is to 14, sir.
I
Show your
think
copy,
it
Naveen.
is
Show your
14 is
copy.
to
Show
11.
your copy. Show your copy.
Sir, it is little bit messy.
Just on your video on YouTube.
Okay. Not able to solve. Okay. So fine. All of you. Now we should start.
You are audible. You are audible.
Here
Sir,
we have
मेरा-
all of you now focus. Now
Make it
come focus.
circle.
All of you come focus. Okay. That's not a big deal. Okay. This one is circle and circle one has a radius, right? So if the radius is r, what will be the perimeter of the circle?
2
2 pi r.
Now, this perimeter is equal to what? Is equal to that of square. That of
Two
square
sides.
means what? Perimeter of a square. It is telling us that of a square. What that of a square? Perimeter. So perimeter of a square.
4A.
4 two
Okay.
sides.
So if this side is A, so perimeter will be 4A. And according to
Yes,
the
sir.
question Shruti, it is clearly telling that perimeter of the circle and perimeter of this square is equal. It means that 2 pi r equal to 4A. Everyone is understanding this point.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Up to this, किसी को problem है? Medans? Ashutosh? Athirath?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
Nishita? No, na? So now
No,
come to
sir.
the next point. No need to put in the chat box. Directly I am live. Tell me, okay? So now the ratio of their areas, right? The ratio of their area. So think, what is the ratio? If you think, what will be the area of this circle? Pi r square,
Pi r.
right? Right? And what is the ratio? What is the area of square?
A square.
Side square. That is a square. So this is being asked in your question, right now? Right? सबको समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ तक? Now,
Yes, sir.
you can see here that 2 pi r equal to 4a. So why you can write here. Shreyans, 11 is to 14 is coming. Shreyans, show your copy. Show your
14
copy, Shreyans.
is to 11 होगा सर. उसने शायद रेसिप्रोकल नहीं किया होगा.
कोई
R
बात
by
नहीं
A
है. Anyone is trying, यही बहुत है. ठीक है ना? It's enough. ठीक है ना? Fine, Shreyans, है ना? कोशिश करना ही सबसे बड़ी बात है. Okay. If you are not trying, that is problem. 2 pi r equal to 4a.
11 is to
So-
14 आ रहा है.
ठीक है श्रेयांश, ठीक. 11 is to 14 श्रेयांश, okay? So now, see 2 pi r equal to 4a. So I can write r divided by a equal to 4 by 2 pi. सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes,
this one is
sir.
multiply. So this one is multiply. So I'm sending here in denominator. So r by what? I'm sending this part to this side. So it is multiply. So it will go in divide. And I'm sending this 2 pi to this side. So 4 divided by 2 pi. ये सबको समझ में आया है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we come to know that r by a is what? R by a is 4 by 5 only, 4 by 2a only. Or I can write as 2 by pi. R by a, I can write 2 by pi. किसी को problem? You see, I am not
No, sir.
even like, tell. So your question was asking this, na, pi r square by a square. So I can write this as pi a r by
Firstly, perimeter of the square is 4a, right? So we already have given perimeter, right? Like
So
this
I
is
can
our
write
perimeter. Okay, this is already given.
R
This question we have
into
already given 16 centimeter, right?
Excuse me, sir.
tell Mishita.
Yes, sir. Please explain how can we write R by A as 2 by 5?
Okay. This step you are understanding?
Okay.
Yes.
So
A equals to 16 upon
you can write it as
4. Can we write
2
it?
pi into R equal to 4 into
What
A,
will be our answer?
right? So if we know board mass, if I will send this A to this side, ये multiply में है ना, so this side it will become in divide. Mishita,
By
this one is into na. So if I will send this side, so it will become 2 pi R by A equal to 4.
Yes.
And now
Yes.
this one is multiply na, 2 pi is multiply with this R by A. So if I will send this 2 pi to this side, into है ना, तो इधर आकर के divide में हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Problem?
Okay.
Fine na?
Yes, sir.
And now
Yes, sir.
find pi R square by A square. I can write pi into R by A whole square.
What will be the answer? Solve
Yes,
the-
Just let me show. This one is, the question is asking area, ratio of area. So I can write this as pi into R by A square. On all of you know that R by A is what? So I can write this. I can write this as what? Pi into, what is R by A? R by A is 4 by 2 pi whole square. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
See na, from this given 2 pi equal to 4a, we have found that R by A is 4 by 2 pi. Now हमें पता क्या था? Area of circle divided by area of a square is what? Is equal to this much, and this can be written as this much. यहाँ तक किसी को problem है? Tell me. Fine, we should move.
No,
Okay.
sir. No, sir. No.
So now what we can do? Now we can do it is in easy peasy way. So I can write pi into 4 square is 16 divided by 2 square is 4 into pi square is pi square. 4 4 ja 16, and then 1 pi got cancelled. So it will become what? 4 divided by pi. Pi value is 22 by 7. Okay. So it will become 28 by 22, or I can write it as 14 by 11. सही है?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. नहीं समझ में आया? Tell me
आगे
no,
से-
किसको समझ में नहीं आया?
लास्ट वाला
हाँ,
लास्ट वाला पार्ट फिर से समझा दो.
हाँ मेहल, यहाँ see. Up to where you have understood? Up to where? Mehal, where up to where you have understood?
सर एक मिनट सर, वो जो यहाँ तक है सर, पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर को आपने पाई इंटू 4 अपॉन 2 पाई होल स्क्वायर तक कर दिया, वो वहां तक समझ आ गया.
वहां तक समझ में आया, ठीक है. उसके बाद तो कुछ नहीं है
हाँ.
महल. 4 स्क्वायर इज 16, 4 स्क्वायर इज 16, एंड ये देखो
Yes,
आप
sir.
ये पूरे पर है ना, तो 4 का स्क्वायर 16 हो गया. 2 पाई स्क्वायर इज व्हाट? 2 स्क्वायर इज 4, पाई स्क्वायर इज पाई स्क्वायर. टेल मी.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ, टेल.
So here, as you have written 4 by 2 pi is equals to R by A, right? So can't we simplify it by 2, 1 is 2 and 2 2s are 4, so it will be 2 pi.
हाँ, so that will be same. उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. I can understand this one, right ना? वो at last हम काट ही रहे बच्चा, है ना? At last you will cut out, है ना? Fine. Mahal?
But after this, it is not coming correct one.
No. 14 by 11 will come, na? Anyone has solved? Anyone has also solved? 14 by 11 is coming, na?
Yes.
14 by 11 will come. Okay.
Yes, sir. 14 by 11. Yeah.
Now, should I move? This question can come like, this one is not a difficult question, right? So all of you, we should move to the next question. Okay, or all of you check recorded session or not? सभी recorded session check करते हैं या नहीं? How many of you check recorded session? No one.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
I'm asking.
Your voice is so breaking. Yes, sir.
Now it is okay now. Actually, I am facing some network issue. That's why I got late 5 minutes because of the network issue only. Okay, so everything is some network issue. Now my sound is okay. Now my sound is okay. My sound is okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us start with another question. Okay, question number 3.
Square equals to 14. Suppose A square equals to. So whenever we have to cancel this, whenever we have
The
to cancel
area.
this square, in case we need only A.
Write down the question.
we have
The
to
area
put on
of
word
circle that can be inscribed in a square of 6 centimeter. All of you have checked sample paper questions or not till yet?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, Charanpreet, Anna, all of you can simply download it from the CBSE website, or you can take it from me, Anna. When you can have, if you are thinking, you can at least have your soft copy, na, while studying. Anna, for suppose you are understanding mensuration and you are trying difficult question and you are feeling no, I'm not. See, actually, what I'm trying to tell you, na, see, we go to higher level questions, right? So if you go on higher level question, you will feel कि हमसे तो बन ही नहीं रहा है. Very difficult. Bacha, I'm getting sound, a little bit of disturbance. So silent yourself, bacha. So I'm telling, see, when you try difficult question, you will feel like, हम तो weak है, मेरे को आता नहीं है. You will feel like that. But if you try questions from sample paper, if you are able to do your board question, it's enough. You are good. ठीक है? So that confidence you will gain. बात समझिएगा, ठीक है ना? Yesterday I was taking session, some difficult questions was done, right? So आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा तो आप परेशान हो जाएंगे. नहीं, come to this thing कि आपका बोर्ड का लेवल क्या है. Your board level is moderate only. Okay. So see, I didn't go on like higher level. I remain in your board levels. Okay. So 36 pi centimeter square, 18 pi centimeter square, then 12 pi centimeter square, and then 9 pi centimeter square. Those who are good in mensuration or those who are solving these type of question, let me see your answer in 45 seconds. And those who want to take their time, take your time. किसको क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया? Who is not understanding the question? Let me know.
Sir, 9 pi centimeter square.
9 pi. Show your copy, Navi. Let me show your figure. I want to see. कैमरा क्या आप क्लोज कर दो ना, आपको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे देखना है, राइट? अच्छा, फिगर ही मिसिंग है लड़के का. Okay. The circle is inside square. The area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square. Fine. If you are in CBSE, they will see your figure. They will give 1 mark. Okay. So, then Sharanpreet, all of you trying.
Sir, 9 pi centimeter square.
Who is telling?
Me, sir, me.
Priyanshu, show your copy. I want answer in your live. Where is your figure? Okay.
Sir, even I have done it.
Show your copy, bacha. I want to check your copy only.
Yeah.
Done, all of you?
Minus comes to 9 5 centimeters square.
Sir, 9 pi r square. 9 pi square, sir.
तेजस्विनी 9 pi square. Okay. Others बच्चे show your copy. ठीक है, ठीक है. Fine. ठीक है देवांशी. Next, others बच्चे.
9 pi centimeter square.
Okay, fine. So now we should start, right? Okay, fine. Prithvi, you are not showing your copy. बच्चा, show your talent. है ना? ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. और कोई बड़ा question नहीं है. Easy peasy question only. See, the question is what? The area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square. So here we have a square, and in this square there is a circle. Right? So you have to find what? My drawing is not good. Okay.
In a circle, there is a square.
The area of a circle. The area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square. This figure is okay? Right? So now the square is 6 now. The square is 6. So the area of a circle that can be inscribed. So this diameter, right? This diameter will also be 6. Right? So radius will be 3. Right now? So now you can find the area of this circle is what? Pi r square, pi into
Pi
radius
r
square. So it is easy peasy burger cheese,
9
right?
pi.
9 pi. आसान है. किसको नहीं समझ में आया? Let me know. Very frankly, let me know. किसको नहीं समझ में आया? Who is not understanding? Be very frank, बच्चा. If you are not asking, no problem. Tell. Who is telling? Who is asking? Tell me now, so that I can explain, or I should move to the next question.
Sir, Lavanya, I'm not getting.
हाँ, Lavanya, see. Lavanya, on your camera, बच्चा. See, Lavanya. Here, आपको क्या question था? Lavanya, here you are. So देखो, आप square के अंदर circle है ना, right? So question is asking the area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square, right? Or question should be better ना कि area of like the maximum area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square. So that will be a good question. The maximum area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square. So this one is a square. Square all sides is equal. So square side is 6, Lavanya. So this length will be 6. This length will also be 6. This length also be 6, right? So now if you are drawing a circle, okay, and it is touching all the points, it means the center is here only. So here, this to this, right? This one is diameter. So this diameter will also be equal to 6 because it is fit in the square. Lavanya?
Yes, sir.
Now the diameter is 6, so radius will be 3 now. So area of this circle is question is asking. So it is pi into radius square, 3 square. Okay. Now right, next question.
Yes,
Ready, all of you? Ready for the next question? Tanvi, you are here? Tanvi? Lavanya, tell if you are trying to say directly interfere, okay? Not an issue. All of you can see this diagram. If you are solving
Yes,
your
sir.
if you are solving your textbook, you can see this figure, right? This one is the center of the circle. Okay, and this one is O. This radius is 6. Okay, this radius is 6, and OAB is an equilateral triangle. OAB is what? Triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So now you have to tell me if this length is 12, AB is 12 only. AB is 12 centimeter. It is centimeter. Okay, I'm not writing. You have to let me know what is the surface, like what is the area of this shaded region. This whole region actually I'm asking. How we can solve this one?
Area of major sector plus area of equilibrium.
All of you have done this question? किसी ने try किया है question? Question is what?
Yes.
There is a
Yes.
circle. There is a circle of radius 6 and here we have an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle का कुछ part circle के अंदर है. That vertex point is inside the, like वो center है. वो is the center. Okay. So all let me know first, all of you, what we can do. We can find the area of the circle. सबको area of circle निकल जाएगा ना? What will be the value? Area of circle? I'm explaining. What is the area of circle? Pi into?
Pi r
So it will be pi into 6 centimeter square. So you can write 36 pi centimeter square. Right? Now, what I'm trying to say ना, अभी इसके आगे कोई calculation नहीं करेगा. I know कि सब कोई calculation करने बैठ जाएंगे area of a circle. No, stop this. You have to understand this in mensuration कि आपसे जो पूछा गया आप उसका calculation करिए. Not आपसे, what I'm trying to say, area of circle you will start ना 36 into pi is 22 by 7, so 36 into 22 by 7, so you'll multiply it, divide it by 7 ना. अगर ऐसे solve करोगे ना तो maths पढ़ना छोड़ दोगे. Getting my point? What I'm trying to say, you don't have to solve actually at now. आपसे area of circle पूछा. Mansi, this is very important point which I'm trying to say. Ragvi, hear me very clearly. आप mensuration में, आप calculation में ही फंसोगे. I know. ठीक है? Don't try to calculate much. यही तो समझना है. So you have to do what? You have to write 36 pi. Stop. No need to calculate because question is not asking you area of circle. Question is asking you area of sided region, right? So now all of you can find now area of equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral triangle OAB. All of you can find. Tell me formula.
yes
Formula.
Root 3 by 4 side square.
All the sides of a liquid triangle are equal. Root under 3 by 4 a square. So it will be what? Root under 3 by 4 into 12 square. Okay.
12.
And now you will try that. Now you will start solving. Root under 3 is 1.732. 12 square is 144 divided by 4. My God. दोबारा मैथ्स पढ़ना हम बंद कर देंगे. I'm clear? आपको solve नहीं करना है. If you are in CBSE, your step marking 1 will be given to you. And if you will solve और गलती हो गया ना, टीचर आगे देखेगा नहीं कॉपी. देखेगा, I mean to say, but कहीं ना कहीं इसको सेंस समझ में आएगा कि हाँ गलत करा बच्चा. द्राक्षा, I'm clear to everyone. Like mensuration में यही समझना होता है. How to avoid calculation and calculate where it is required. Now what I'm trying to say, what will be my next step? Can anyone tell? Now I have calculated this circle area. Now I have calculated this equilateral triangle area. But the shaded region ना, इसमें ये जो region है ना, if you add this one is equation 1. अब इसको solve मत करो आगे. Let it write centimeter square. Step marking will be given. This one is equation 2 and this equation 2. Now you will do what? आप 1 and 2 के area को add करोगे. You will do what? Add the area of 1 and 2. Right? So all
लेकिन
this
सर फिर मेजर सेक्टर का एरिया भी तो फिर इसका स्मॉल सेक्टर का एरिया भी तो निकालना पड़ेगा.
coming to that point only. Right? See what is happening. अब जब equation 1 or 2 को add करोगे तो this part which I am drawing, this has been counted 2 times. One with the area of the circle, one with the area of equilateral triangle, right? Right? So now you will do what? You will do what? You will add these two, 1 and 2, and still you will not solve. You can also like not solve. Okay, I solve कर भी सकते हो. Avoid calculation. Minus what? Minus area of this 3. What I'm trying to say? Area of this sector. Let it be 3. Can you calculate the area of this sector? It is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So angle is 60 degree, right? So 60 by 360 into pi into 6 square. So 6 3 ja 1 by 6 into pi into 6 square is 36. Maximum pi y बना calculate करना एकदम रोको. At the last now you should calculate जो होगा सो होगा. Last में mistake होगा. Out of 4 you will get 3. Shruti, your board is CBSE, right? गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? ये ट्रिक अगर आपको
Yes,
टीचर
sir.
बताया है तो ही टीचर है, अदरवाइज वो मैथ्स टीचर है ही नहीं। आई एम टेलिंग यू बिकॉज आई वाज आल्सो नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व मेंसुरेशन। यही कैलकुलेशन में 9th में हम भी ऐसे करते थे, बट व्हेन आई कम टू 10th द गुड टीचर आई फाउंड, आई रियलाइज कि हम मिस्टेक कहाँ करते थे। सो दैट यू हैव टू थिंक, ओके। और ये ऐसे ही आपको फॉलो अप लेना है। आई विल डू मोर क्लासेस, ठीक है। अभी वॉल्यूम सरफेस एरिया जहाँ से 4 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन आते हैं, आई विल लाइक एक्सप्लेन, ठीक है। सो आई हैव ओनली लेस देन 1 minute गाइस, ओके। So write the code of today. I will work. Write the code of today. I will work. Write the code of today. I will work. Written na? Anyone telling
Yes.
something? Mansi?